Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I'm going to be doing a weekly setup in my work planner. I'm going to be using a doll sticker from Let's Get Planned and these zebra deco stickers with a Christmas vibe from COCO'S Vision. I also pulled out these washi tapes to work with. 4 of these are, I think, from Michael's, and this drip washi with the zebra print, the gold drip. I thought this would work well since there's zebra print here. I'm not sure about the gold drip. I do have one with silver drip, but because there's gold elements here and in some of the washi tape, I went ahead and pulled the gold. I don't know, I'm just not crazy about that gold drip. So that's part of the challenge, to use something that I don't really want to use. Okay, so we are going to be doing the setup for the week of the 12th through the 18th. This week, I am going to challenge myself not to use any boxes. It's going to be hard because I really like the way the boxes look and the functionality that they add. But this week, no boxes. I may also pull from one of these sticker books. This is Christmas Joy from the Happy Planner from 2019. This is Peppermint Stripes, a hot buy sticker book from Michael's. This one is from 2021. Okay. I haven't seen anything about sticker books at Michael's this year. I haven't been to Michael's in a while. That's unusual for me. All right. I don't know if I want to use this thick one or if I should go more subtle with the thinner one. I think thin is in. So, do I want to put this up at the top and maybe use the poinsettias at the bottom? I think that's what I'm going to do. So, we're going to do zebra up top. Remember, no boxes. It's got me a little nervous about how this is going to turn out, because I think I've become quite dependent on boxes in this planner in particular. So let's see if we can do it without that. Okay, so we got the zebra. This may be too much pattern. Ooh, that's a lot. Now that I look at it, maybe I better put the zebra on here again on the bottom. I think I am, because the poinsettia is way too much. The zebra is too much too. But at least it's too much of the same thing. They look nice on the roll together, but I don't think they would look so great on the paper together. Oops, almost did that wrong. So I am only doing the width of the main box on each page. So I'm not going all the way across the bottom like this. I am going right up to the edge of the main box, or the main element on the page, and stopping that. Okay. So maybe I won't be using this because it's just like, ooh, that's too much. I could probably get away with using this one. Maybe. I don't know, but let me do this box here. Can't quite do that one like I did the ones at the bottom, but this is close. It works. Okay, doke. So because I'm not using boxes, can I use checklists? I can use checklists, right? I think I can. So let's see. I'll use a checklist from the new Peppermint kit that is available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. So let's get a few of these with the gradient red to help keep us on track, or keep me on track. And let's do a Monday, a Wednesday, that's kind of crooked, but it'll be fine, and a Friday. Okay, let's put down the doll. I'm actually going to put her on Tuesday, I think. Just change it up. And so the reason I'm not using this one is because she's looking away. We don't want her looking off into whatever, the abyss. We want her to look at the other page. So that kind of draws the eye over here. So we're here and we're like, oh, well, what is she looking at? Let's look over there. That's how you do that. Okay. I don't know why that's one of the things that I learned when I was in school for commercial art, that some things just stick with you. That's one of the things that really stuck with me, and it made so much sense. That is, I mean, I just hold on to it. It made so much sense. Okay. These little lanterns are so cute. Let's use them here on the edges of our spread, like so. I don't think that one's cut quite right. And then this one over here. Okay, so we got our lanterns down. Let's put down this stocking. I'm gonna hang it from the checklist. These swags, I'm gonna hang from the top like this. And like this. Let's turn this so I can kind of get it straight. It's starting to look like things are all over the place. I don't know about that. Oops. These are gift tags. I guess I'll hang those here. Santa's boot can go here. Not sure about the reindeer ears. Definitely want to use the candy canes. I wish they were facing the other direction though. And I want to use the wreath. I'm going to use one right there. Let's hold off on the candy cane. And one right here. Then let's get the script stickers. Oops. Nope, I don't want that. I want today and to do. So let's do to do here. I wish these were clear, but maybe I could use the ones from Caliber Plan until I can print mine on clear paper. Let's do that. Okay, yeah. I do have some clear sticker paper. I just have been using it sparingly because it is fairly expensive. So let's see what we got in here. This is Caliber Plan, Planner Words, Volume 1. Here is to do. So we'll put the to-do here. Maybe that wasn't so great. Might have to just use don't forget because I don't see a today. There it is. I'm not going to put it inside the wreath like I did here. Can I get this back? Nope, I can't get it back. Okay. So I probably shouldn't have done that like that because it's not showing up very well. But what's done is done. Let's see. I'm going to use a don't forget. That one's a little yuck looking because I pulled it up. Let's use it right here. I may not have a use for the candy canes as much as I would like to use it. May have to save that for some other time. Let's see if we can use some of this deco to spice this up a little bit because it's kind of dull. And where's the other washi tape? Nope. Let's use the Santa's belt washi before I get into the deco from the sticker book. That helps a little bit. Let's see what we can get out of this. So I'm going to put these back because I think I pull them off too soon. That goes here. And I'd much rather use these. Okay, I think we're done. No boxes, just checklists. Let's go ahead and pop this in. See what we've got. Alrighty, so that is it for this spread. Let me know how I did without using any boxes. I think it turned out pretty nice. I wanted to use all of the stickers from the Zebra Deco sheet, but I think it would have been too much. I think this is on the verge of being too much, but it's still okay. The Zebra Gold Drip Washi tape worked out pretty well. It's from Cookie Sticker Co. The other washi tape, the Santa Belt washi, is from Michaels. The doll is from Let's Get Planned. The Zebra Deco is from COCO'S Vision. And the other bits of deco I used were from a Hot Buy sticker book from Michaels. The script stickers are from CHELA Plan, and I think that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.